Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving into an important topic, your laptop's battery health. If your laptop battery is drained too fast or you are just curious about its condition, I'm going to show you how to check it using simple command in Windows 10 and 11. No software, no downloads, just command prompt. Let's get started. Tip 1. Open command prompt as an administrator. First, we need to open command prompt with admin rights. Click on the Start menu, Windows logo at the bottom left. Type cmd in the search bar. Right-click command prompt and select Run as an administrator. If prompted by user account control, click Yes. Now we are inside the command prompt. This is where the magic happens. Step 2. Generate a power efficiency report. The first command we'll run is powercfg/energy. This command analyzes your laptop's power efficiency and battery issues. Let's type it in. Now press enter and wait about 60 seconds while Windows scans for issues. When it's done, you'll see a message that the report has been saved. By default, it's stored in. Let's navigate to the folder. Step 3. Access the power efficiency report. Open File Explorer. Click on the C drive. Go to Windows, System 32. Scroll down and find Energy Report. Double-click to open in your browser. Now you see a detailed information about your battery, power efficiency issue, and recommendations to improve performance. Step 4. Generate a detailed battery health report. Now let's get a dedicated battery health report. Type this command in cmd. powercfg/batteryreport. Hit enter. In a second, Windows will generate a detailed report. You will see the report is saved in. But don't worry, let's find it step by step. Step 5. Open and analyze battery report. Open File Explorer. Click this PC and go to C drive. Open the user folder. Select your username folder. Find and open batteryreport.html. This report gives a detailed breakdown of your battery's history. Step 6. Understanding battery health. Recent usage and usage history. You can also see how your battery has been performing over the last few days, including when it was charged and discharged. Design capacity versus full charge capacity. Here you will see your battery's original capacity versus its current full charge capacity. If the full charge capacity is much lower than design capacity, your battery is aging. Step 7. Battery health percentage calculation. Now let's calculate your battery health as a percentage. The most important values are design capacity, the original battery capacity when it was new, full charge capacity, the current maximum capacity your battery can hold. To find out your battery health percentage, use this formula. Battery health percentage is equal to full charge capacity multiplied by 100 divided by design capacity. For example, my laptop's battery's design capacity is 27,740 and full charge capacity is 17,381. Then battery health is equal to 17,381 multiplied by 100 divided by 27,740, which equal to 62.66. So my laptop's battery health is 62.66%, which means it has lost about 40% of its original capacity. And that's it. You just learned how to check your laptop's battery health using simple commands in Windows 10 and 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more technical tips. Let me know in the comments how your battery is doing. See you in the next one.